Welcome to Automobiles on 2025. Today, we have something truly special for all the truck enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the stunning, nostalgic, yet modern masterpiece, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup. A perfect blend of classic design and cutting-edge technology, this truck pays homage to the golden era of pickups while packing the performance and features expected in today's world. From the moment you lay your eyes on it, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup exudes charm and heritage. Inspired by the iconic designs of the 1950s and 60s, GMC has masterfully recreated the vintage aesthetic with bold lines, a large chrome grille, and round LED headlights that give off a retro feel with a futuristic touch. The body is sculpted to perfection, with just the right amount of ruggedness to make it both a workhorse and a showpiece. Available in classic two-tone paint schemes, this truck is a head-turner from every angle. Under the hood, GMC has seamlessly integrated modern engineering without compromising its old-school appeal. Buyers can choose between a powerful 5.3-liter V8 engine delivering 400 horsepower or an all-electric variant producing an impressive 600 horsepower with instant torque. Whether you love the rumble of a traditional engine or the quiet power of an EV, GMC ensures you get the best of both worlds. And with an advanced adaptive suspension, this truck offers a smooth ride whether you're cruising on highways or tackling off-road adventures. Inside, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup brings luxury and technology to the forefront while maintaining its retro-inspired theme. The dashboard features analog-style dials paired with a state-of-the-art 12-inch digital display, giving you all the vital information you need in a sleek interface. Premium leather seats with vintage stitching, real wood trim, and a classic-style steering wheel transport you back in time, while features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a high-end Bose sound system keep you connected to the modern world. When it comes to functionality, GMC hasn't held back. The truck bed is equipped with a multi-function tailgate, built-in power outlets, and a hidden cargo compartment for extra storage. Towing capacity, a solid 10,000 pounds, ensuring you can haul just about anything with ease. Safety is another highlight, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera system, and automatic emergency braking, making it one of the safest pickups on the road today. GMC is offering the vintage pickup in multiple trims, catering to both collectors and everyday drivers. Whether you're looking for a show-stopping weekend ride or a reliable workhorse with a nostalgic twist, there's a model for you. The price starts at around $55,000 for the base V8 model, while the all-electric version comes in at approximately $65,000. Considering the craftsmanship, performance, and advanced features, it's a worthy investment for any truck lover. So, what do you think about the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup? Is this the perfect blend of past and future? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Automobiles on 2025 for more exciting automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.